Why can't you own two Apple Watches? Well, then it wouldn't be an Apple. It would be a pair. Sorry. So in today's video, we will be discussing the Apple Watch SE and what features it might have. Is there a need for the Apple Watch SE? Yes, there's a huge market for it. If you didn't know, the Apple Watch is actually the best-selling watch in the world. Not best-selling smartwatch, but the best-selling watch. Like, you know those watches that you can buy at Walmart for like 10 bucks? Yeah, the Apple Watch outsold that. The watch I have here is the Apple Watch Series 4, and they're going to be releasing the Series 6, along with a Apple Watch Special Edition. The Apple Watch SE will probably be $200 to $250. We're not sure because Apple hasn't released it yet, but we will be talking about a lot of rumors in today's video. There's a lot of speculation on the battery life, the power. What chips might it have? What's the screen size? How's the battery life? What features will it be lacking from the Apple Watch Series 6? So let's talk about it. I think the most important point is the screen size, because if it has a 40mm display, it's going to look basically exactly like the Apple Watch Series 4, 5, and 6, which are like $400. So for half the price, if you can get that form factor, then probably no one will actually buy the more expensive models. So I believe that the screen size will be 38 inches, so like the Apple Watch Series 3. And this differentiates the watch from the other more expensive models. It's not gonna have Force Touch, whatever it's called, because I'm actually running the beta software for my watch right now. It's the watchOS 7 beta 8, I believe. They have removed Force Touch completely, so if I want to Force Touch, I just press and hold. It became Haptic Touch. So this means that they will be removing the 3D Touch layer on the Apple Watches for not only the SE, but also the Series 6 and the bigger version of the Series 6. This means that you can have better battery life and more components inside the watch. Also, the material of the Apple Watch SE will 100% be aluminum. Apple will not put ceramic or stainless steel or titanium in a $200 watch. So aluminum it is. You know, my watch is aluminum and I don't really think it's that bad. Also, the Apple Watch SE will come most likely in two colors as rumored, black and white, or they would call it space gray and silver. But these two colors are the most basic ones, and you will not be able to have a gold option or a rumored blue option for the Apple Watch Series 6. So yeah, it's kind of sad, and you won't be able to upgrade it to any other material, but hey, come on, it's 200 bucks. For all the features, for example, it probably won't have ECG. It will have fall detection, a heart rate sensor, maybe even a blood oxygen sensor if you're lucky. For all of those safety features and fitness, activity, tracking that it has, I believe it's a great deal for everyone. Not to mention sleep tracking or just the App Store itself, where you can get all of the third-party apps you want. The Apple Watch SE will truly be an amazing watch and amazing gadget if you don't already have an Apple Watch. But it's still not that flagship to be able to replace the more expensive models. Knowing Apple, there's probably going to be two options for the watch band. You can either choose the standard silicone watch band or a sports loop, which I'm very in favor of. The sports loop will feel a bit cheaper. However, it's so much better because it's just really comfortable and light. So you basically don't feel the watch being there until you need it to be. Also, this color will not be available for the Apple Watch SE. Again, there's only black and white, unfortunately, but come on, it's a pretty good deal still. Stacking this Apple Watch SE to the Apple Watch Series 6 will probably be no competition. I believe that the SE will stand its place with the Series 6. However, if you look back at the Apple Watch Series 3, the Apple Watch SE might have the better deal. It has all the standard features you'd expect, like raise to wake or just raise to speak. And there's no, Siri, no, I didn't I didn't mean to activate you. Overall, I believe the Apple Watch SE will be a great device. And let's talk about who it's for. Probably not for me because I already have the Series 4, but the Apple Watch SE is great for a lot of the average people. If you're aged between, say, 16 to like 30, then it's going to be a perfect watch for you because you're active and you're very good with technology. It's going to be a great watch for fitness, for activity, for productivity, like automatically signing into your computer when you wear the watch, or just communication, staying connected without your phone in your pocket. That, to me, is a huge deal. So if you don't already have an Apple Watch, I believe the Apple Watch SE is a great option. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe because that really helps me out a lot. And if you have anything that you want to add to this video, please just leave it in the comment section down below so I can see your opinion on this. That's it. You've reached the end. Click something on the screen. That's it. Okay. What time is it?